Hello, my name's Jerry Bondi. I'm a science teacher here at Adams High School, and I'm here today to talk to you about ninth grade science information for courses that we offer here in the science department. First and foremost, most students take physical science as a freshman. That's the common thing that when students come over from middle school, they're going to take our physical science course. And physical science is a bit of an introduction to both chemistry and physics. And you can see some of the topics that are listed out that are covered over the year-long course here in both chemistry and physics. We do have some accelerated options for students that are a bit more advanced in science or want to pursue more science courses than the traditional student. And the ways to do that, there's a couple ways. One is that in your freshman year, you could double up on both physical science and biology. You'd be taking both of those classes at the same time. Another option would be then to double up on biology and then either chemistry or physics in your sophomore year. So in that case, you take physical science as a freshman, and then you would double up in your science classes as a sophomore. Here's kind of a little bit of another look at kind of a flow chart, if you will, of all of the different options for courses you could take. Again, most students take physical science as a freshman, then they take biology as a sophomore, and then they'll move on to either chemistry or physics or some of our other electives and into their junior year. Here's that first option that I said for the accelerated option, taking both physical science and biology together. And then into your sophomore year, you could take chemistry or physics or even both of them at the same time, which would be another way to accelerate even more, and then move on to electives and then especially moving on to advanced placement classes into your junior and senior year. Or the other option that I mentioned was taking physical science as a freshman and then doubling up on biology and or chemistry and physics in your sophomore year. And then again, that gives you the same type of ability to move on to electives and advanced placement classes in your junior year. Both of these options, the accelerated 1 and 2, work, and it just depends on what works best for your schedule. And they allow more freedom into your junior and senior years to be able to fit in all of those classes that you're looking to get. A special note is that if you are going to take chemistry or physics in your sophomore year, make sure that you're in the right math class. Both chemistry and physics have a concurrent requisite of Algebra 2. So you need to be at least in Algebra 2 at the same time as you take those classes. So if you're going to take chemistry or physics as a sophomore, you need to be in Algebra 2 as a sophomore or have completed it, which would then mean that you would need to have been in geometry as a freshman in order to be in Algebra 2 as a sophomore. If you're in Algebra 2 as a freshman, then you're going to be in pre-calculus as a sophomore, and so then you're good there as well. We just want to make sure that you're in the right math course so that you can be successful for both chemistry and physics. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. My email is just jbondi@rochester.k12.mi.us. Thank you.